In this video, we'll watch a family build a pontoon boat using metal barrels. Of course, before starting the project, the boat's design was meticulously planned, and the necessary measurements were determined. This is the second pontoon boat they've built. The result will be a fun and fantastic boat that the whole family can enjoy. .5 centimeter thick pine planks are used for the floor of the boat. This helps to control the weight while also providing a solid foundation. Metal barrels are preferred for the boat's buoyancy system. This material is both durable and easy to weld. The pointed bow sections at the front of the pontoon are custom-made in a workshop. Sheet metal is cut and bent to the exact dimensions to fit the shape of the boat. The wooden panels undergo a protective coating process before installation. The boat's upper deck is also gradually taking shape. A staircase is being built to provide access to the roof, making this section more convenient to use. Elm wood is used in the backrest sections for added strength and durability. To make the walking areas more comfortable, an outdoor-grade carpet is being laid on the ground. Underneath the carpet, felt is placed to soften the surface and help prevent water penetration. Special support sections are being prepared to securely fasten the metal barrels. These sections will hold the buoyancy elements in place, maintaining the boat's balance on the water. To increase the boat's durability, protective metal profiles are being added to points where it is likely to come into contact with the shore. They begin preparing the section where the engine will be installed. To ensure smoother operation of the steering and control system, the support parts are carefully measured and welded into place. As the boat's living space is being finalized, storage details are also being considered. A large refrigerated area is being planned, especially for storing food and beverages during longer trips. An unconventional solution has been chosen for the aft section of the boat. Instead of completely covering the floor, a large relaxation net has been installed. This area creates a comfortable section where several people can relax and spend time together. After long preparations and construction work, the long-awaited day has finally arrived. After all systems have been checked one last time, the pontoon boat will be launched into the water and the first lake tour will begin. Pontoon boats are preferred in many parts of the world due to their simple structure and wide range of uses. In this project, a functional pontoon boat was created from scratch using metal barrels, steel profiles, and wooden materials. The link to the project owner's YouTube channel is in the description. You can visit that channel for many more projects.